Hey there guys and gals, this is Dan1321, and I am here to teach you how to fix a broken iPhone. I've had this iPhone sitting around, and it no longer will turn on, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So take your hammer and lightly tap the screen a few times. That should be good. Now, throw it in the sink and give it a good rinse. Make sure you really get that on there. Yeah, and then turn off the sink and give it a nice good dry. You can't have a wet phone, you know. And when you take off the towel, your phone should be fixed. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's completely new and works perfectly. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Maybe even leave a comment. And happy April Fools!